Hello friends, welcome back to Robotics Automate Academy. Today you are going to learn relational operators. And if you don't know what are operators, then watch my operators video. And if you haven't watched the last three parts of operators, then do watch it because this video and the last three parts, they're going to be very useful in my next videos and also in future. You can find all the links in the description box, so please do check that out. And today we are going to learn what are relational operators and an in-depth tutorial on them. So guys, without wasting any much time, let's get started. The relational operators compare one value to another and tell you when the relationship you have provided is true or false. So for example, take 1 is less than 2, but 1 is never greater than 2, which concludes that it's true. And if you say 1 is greater than 2, which will conclude to false. The truth value of relations is often used to make decisions in your applications to ensure that the condition for performing a specific task is met. The use of relational operator is the relational operators are often used to create a test expression that controls program flow. This type of expression is also known as Boolean expression because they create a Boolean answer or value when evaluated. And if you don't know what is a Boolean, then please watch my data apps video. There are a total of 7 relational operators. The first one is equals to, then not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and lastly greater than or equal to. So you might have seen this last four in your math class, but the first two, they're only in programming. So now I will tell you the meaning of them. The first one equals to, so when you type this code in Python, it checks that if 1 is equal to 2 or not, and as you know that 1 is not equal to 2, so that's why we will get the value false. In simple words, this equals to determines whether two values are equal or not. Moving on, the not equal to determines whether two values are not equal. So when you type this code, 1 is not equal to 2, in Python, the value you will get is true because as you know 1 is not equal to 2. So you already know how to use this for, but many people are curious about that how to write less than or equal to or greater than or equal to in computer. This is how you do it. In math you have seen that you first write this symbol less than or greater than, then below them you put just a line which means equal. So now if you want to write the same thing in computer, then you will have to enter the less than or greater than symbol. Then you simply just put an equal sign as you see here. So now you have understand all the meaning of all of the 7 relational operators. Now I will show you how to do them in Python. And if you have any questions that was not answered in this video, then please tell me in the comments and I will definitely respond to you as soon as possible, or you can just contact me. I am using Python editor because this is going to be like very quick coding, but you can use any editor you would like. You can even like use PyCharm. So I'm just going to use the same example as you just saw earlier so you can understand more better. So first of all, 1 equals to 2. And as you know, this is false, so we get false. Now moving on, 1 is not equal to 2, and as you know it is true, so we'll get true. Then 1 is less than 2, it is true as well. Then 1 is greater than 2, nope, which means false. Then 1 is less than or equal to 2, as you know it's true. And lastly, 1 is greater than or equal to 2, that is obviously false. So you can experiment with those, and you can use like any number you would like. It is not limited to only 1 and 2. See, but if let's see if I say 23 equals to 23, we will get true because they both are the same. So guys, today's objective was accomplished. By now you should have knowledge of relational operators, and also in this video I am going to be wrapping up the operators chapter because you have learned enough for now. Like there's still more to operators, but we are going to learn it in the future. So next video is going to be different. It's going to be about swapping values of two variables, and obviously you should not know how to do that or what it is. So stay tuned for that video. And if you don't want to miss that video, Then click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the quality of the course and you can stay updated. And hit the like button if you learned something new or if you like this video. And follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and Facebook. Describe at the end of the video or you can find it on my channel. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Have an amazing day.